most sports, you make a mistake, you lose, but you can still breathe. With big wave surfing, if you make a mistake, you can't breathe. There's nowhere that compares to Nazareth. This is it. This is the Superdome.
The first day I got here, I saw the biggest waves I've ever seen. It was funny because I show up, this American guys going out on jet skis into the waves where all they know about that place is a place of death. It's very dangerous. Everything is split-second decisions.
You need somebody who really knows what they're doing, somebody who's on point, somebody who's focused, somebody who's not going to get distracted, somebody you can trust with your life.
No matter what's going on, rain, clouds,
nothing matters. The wind's good, the waves are good, and we're out there.
Drive anywhere, drive everywhere. This car is the perfect car to search the world for waves. I've definitely become a restless soul. After I sit in a place for more than 2 weeks, I'm ready to go. Home is where my feet are. I'm always traveling.